TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 55. You get the NASDAQ off 21. S&Ps are down 8. Gold contract is trading down $5.10 at 1,070. Silver's down 35 cents at $14.02. Platinum's down 3 at $8.78 an ounce. Copper down 3.5 pennies at $2.08 a pound. Light sweet crude down $1.22 at $36.87 a barrel. Bonds, the 10-year is flat, 126.05. 30-year is up 12 ticks, 155.14. King dollar down 101 ticks at 97.91. The euro is up 23 at 109, and the yen is at 120.39. Now, we go over to the S&P. We take a look at the S&P. What you're going to see is this, folks, and this is a phenomenon that's happening right across the European markets, Asian markets, all of the above. And what it is this. When we came down on the 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th of August, that is what the markets are going into. Our S&P, the high of that level out there is 2096. You got down to a price point of 1867. You got back up to 2116, gave it up in spades. And from the August time frame on, we've been getting lower highs. Not only lower highs, you've got an expansion of volume as you come off the highs on November 3rd. You get an expansion as you come off the highs on December 2nd. This market is making its way first down to the low of 1993, which was established on December 14th. And what I expect you're going to see is it's going to make its way down to the 1867. Last night in Shanghai was a instance that you can take a look at that market. It's pretty wild. The Shanghai market did have a nice counter-trend bounce. It bounced as much as our own S&Ps bounced, and then just gave it up in spades. If you go to the Shanghai market, the highs out there were 4,000 and then 3,800 on the 19th of August. It goes down to 2,800. Nice counter-trend bounce brings you all the way back up to 36. Gave it up in spades right across the markets. Now, the FTSE and the DAX, they didn't even do a retracement as strong as ours did. If we go into the NDX 100, what do you have with the NDX 100? This is what you have with the NDX 100. The 3 Qs, and you can see how they can push markets around in holiday trading. I expect this is another holiday trading week. The NDX 100, the Qs are trading at 112.03. That's making its way down to the 109.38. Your benchmark in the SPY and the Q is the highs of October 2nd. That is 104, and we're at 111 right now. We go take a look at the gold contract. What we have with gold is this. Gold right now, gold is trading at 1,070. We've done 40,000 contracts out here today. You're backing down with light volume. You're backing down into 122,000. Gold continues to build cause to get into the high from the December 2nd level. That's 1,088. We'll see how it handles that high, how it tackles that high. Good old King Dollar. What do you have with King Dollar? King Dollar is drifting on down to its lowest swing point. You know, you're at 4,300 contracts out here. That's light volume. You're coming down to the first swing point of 97.22. We'll see whether we get down into the October 15th swing area, which is 94.05. But that's how King Dollar seems to be heading at this particular point. The bond market continues to reject lower price. Pretty amazing, too. Bonds just refuse to die. They look like they're going to, the 10 years, 126.05, wants to go after the 127.30. The 30-year wants to go after its highs. In fact, that's right next to its highs. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
It's true, life is all about choices. At Everbank, they're making it easy for you to make a smart one with this special cash offer. Open a new yield pledge money market account with funds from another financial institution, or deposit new funds into an existing yield pledge money market account, and you could earn up to a $500 cash reward. And if you're opening a new account, you'll also get their new higher 6-month bonus interest rate, along with their yield pledge promise that ensures your yield will always be in the top 5% of competitive accounts at banks nationwide. Open a new account or add to one. It's your choice. To qualify, you must meet balance and other limited time offer requirements. Go to everbank.com/TFNN for details and deposit options, or speak with one of their banking specialists at 1-855-750-4051 for more information. You must act by December 31st, 2015 to be eligible. Everbank is a member FDIC.